Make your outdoor adventures even better with these camping tips. Whether you pitch a tent or roll up in a motor home, choosing to spend your vacation time camping can be a blast. Make sure you plan and prepare for all of the little hazards that living with nature can present, by watching the following tips and adhering to their advice. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. You don't have to be a Boy Scout to be prepared, if you plan to go camping. One of the first rules is to be sure to tell somebody where you will be. If there isn't an exact location to give, then give a general idea of major roads nearby or even GPS coordinates if you know them, and give a time frame of when you plan to return. Bring enough food and snack items to last you throughout the whole trip. You don't want to spend your time going to get food every meal. Enjoy yourself while you are camping. Bring cereal, hot dogs, and all of your other favorite food items that will fuel you throughout your trip. Purchase some pillows that are made for camping prior to going on your trip. Don't bring the pillows you use in your bedroom. These pillows can trap heat during humid weather. Because they absorb moisture from the air, they can quickly mildew. Pillows designed for camping have a coating on them that does not allow the moisture to be absorbed. No matter how you do it, camping is a thoroughly enjoyable way to spend your vacation. It can offer great relaxation, inspiration, and even teach us a lot about our environment. Keep the tips from this video in mind as you set out on your camping adventure, and remember to have fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.